Have a great day, everyone.
Look at all this seafood! It's so fresh! I can't wait to try the shrimp! Me too!
Wow, look at the size of that lobster!
It smells amazing! Can we eat the crab now, Dad?
All right, you two, dig in. This lobster is absolutely delicious, everyone.
Oh, it truly is the best feast we've had.
Can I have another piece of the crab, please?
Here is your homework, dear ones. Oh, I can't wait to start it. Wait, you have to finish your homework before you can go out to play. All right, Mom. If I take one, how many do you have left? We have 3 left! You are doing so well, sweetie. Keep up the great work on those equations. That was so much fun!